Good morning, everybody. Somebody has asked me how to design text for a charger. So I'm presuming that they want to put text around the outside circle. And I've got a charger here, so I'm going to measure the outside of my charger, which is 13 inches, and then the inside circle of the charger is 9 inches. So I'm going to want to make a circle that's 9.5 inches so that my text won't be exactly right on the edge of that circle. It's going to be about 1/4 of an inch from the edge. So I need to display my shapes. So I'll click the window and then library. And I'm going to find a circle in here. And there we go. And I said I wanted to have my circle be 9.5 inches in diameter. So I'll type in 9.5. And the corresponding height will be entered for me because this is a perfect circle. It's going to move it sort of to the center of my screen here, or the mat I should say. And to start typing on the path, I just need to click the Type on Path tool, click my path, and then I can start typing. So let's say I'm going to write Santa's milk and cookies. And I'm going to do that in capital letters. Now it's not exactly centered there, so I'm going to just shift my letters a little bit. That looks much more centered, maybe a little bit less. And I'm going to select all of my text, and I'm going to change my text. I'm going to choose another font, something more fun. Okay, I like that one. It's called Marker Felt Thin. Well, there's also Marker Felt Wide. I like that one better. So now my centering is off again, so I'm just going to press space until it centers up nicely. That's a little bit. I'm going to right click and I'm going to change the path, or I'm going to change the object to a path. So now you see that I don't need the circle there. I don't need that to cut out. I just want my words to cut out. So let's say that you wanted the same thing at the bottom. So all you need to do is copy and then paste. Now I've copied that and I'm going to rotate this so that I have the same thing on the bottom of my charger. And the curve is going to fit properly. It may look a little bit off to you here, but that doesn't matter because once you place it on your charger, it will be fine. Okay? And you can add little symbols. You could put stars or something in the middle. So you could then add some shapes to the outline here. I'm going to go into my shapes and I'm going to find a snowflake. That would be cute. I'm going to use this one. Maybe I'll make it a little bit smaller. And that can be in between the text over here. And I'm going to copy it and then paste. And I'll put that on this side. And again, it's not looking exactly the way it should, because remember that the entire charger is 13 inches in diameter. I'm going to show you what it would actually look like. I'll use a basic shape here. I'll get a circle, and I'll make this circle 13 inches. And I'm going to drag this up over here. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move these out of the way so I'll be able to move them after, once I put my circle in the right place. And I'm going to move my circle here. And of course, it's larger than the mat, but it doesn't matter because you manipulate your text, you place it where you want so that you'll be able to cut it. And then I bring this over here, and I bring this text over here. And you see you can move it a little bit if you want it a little more centered looking, and then bring your snowflake over here and another snowflake over here. And the point about this is not for cutting it. You can group everything together, and you don't even have to flip the second Santa's milk and cookies expression. You can leave that all closely together, cut it out in vinyl, and then once you're placing it on your charger, you just place it where you want it. So don't worry about the mat being 12 by 12 and that this is larger. You know, you just manipulate the expressions on the plate once you've cut them out. So I hope that's been helpful to you. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.